In today's video, I will walk you through how to find the largest crypto markets on CoinMarketCap. To find the largest cryptocurrency markets on CoinMarketCap, start by opening the CoinMarketCap platform and locating the Exchanges section. In the main navigation bar at the top of the page, find the Exchanges tab. Click on the Exchanges tab to view the available exchange categories. A drop-down menu will appear with three main options: Spot, Derivatives, and DEX. Select Spot to view the main list of centralized cryptocurrency exchanges. This section displays the largest exchanges for standard crypto trading. You can also select Derivatives to view exchanges focused on futures, options, and leverage trading. For decentralized exchanges, select DEX. This section displays exchanges that operate directly on-chain without a central authority. To view the largest crypto markets, choose the category you want to analyze and open the corresponding rankings page. For the main exchange leaderboard, click Spot. The page will display a ranked list of exchanges based on CoinMarketCap's default ranking system. Review the exchange rankings shown on the page. By default, CoinMarketCap ranks exchanges using the exchange score. The exchange score is based on several factors, including web traffic, average liquidity, trading volume, and the legitimacy of reported trading volumes. Use the rankings to identify the largest crypto markets listed on CoinMarketCap. Review the exchange names, ranking positions, and available market information shown in the table. To compare different types of markets, return to the Exchanges drop-down menu and switch between Spot, Derivatives, and DEX categories. Select Spot to review centralized exchange rankings. Select Derivatives to review futures and leverage trading platforms, or select DEX to review decentralized exchange rankings. Use the category that matches the type of crypto market you want to analyze. The rankings page will update to show the available exchanges within that category. When reviewing the largest crypto markets, focus on the exchange rankings displayed by CoinMarketCap and the information included in each category. This allows you to find the largest cryptocurrency exchanges and compare different market types directly from the Exchanges section on CoinMarketCap. Thank you for watching.